And here we are again with Mike's Be Handy. I got myself a refurbished DJI drone for $299. I was going to get the Mini SE, but it was less in video quality with only 2.7K. So this one's got 4K, and I bought it to chase away the geese. Or did I? We'll be back in a second with the box opening and review, sorta. And there it is. It's clearly marked RB for refurbished, and it's the Mini 2. I had bought a DJI Osmo Pocket, and there it is. And I was really happy with the pictures, and it has a different use. But this drone, I wanted to get in on the drone shots and see what's going on. So let's open it up. Right here is a little thing that says open with a little tape on there. Oh, here it is. And much smaller than I imagined, but that's all right. Wow. And it has a little imposing quality here. Everything's clearly marked. Let's see what else we got. We got the drone itself with a bunch of pull tabs. Okay. Let's see what's in the box here. We've got a cable, a couple more cables, some extra propellers, the two control knobs for the remote control, and at the bottom is the remote control. Wow, this thing's got some heft to it. Let's check it out. Wow, now this is quality right here. Just the way it feels. You can sure tell the difference here between crappy stuff. And I'm not going to read the instructions right this second, but I can tell these two little... Wow, now this is a refurbished unit. These two little joystick controllers are clearly brand new packaged. Okay. This is up and down, and this is left and right, and forward and back. Okay. All right. Let's see, anything else? No, that should be it. Manual, of course. Leave that out a little bit. We'll stick this other stuff back in there. I don't think I'll need any extra propellers right away. Not sure what I'm going to use these for. Okay. You know, for being refurbished, this looks pretty pretty new to me. I'm not seeing any scratches on it or anything. All I did was put myself on the list. It said, yeah, we're selling these refurbs for $299, which is the sale price of the DJI Mini SE. But like I said, it only films in 2.7K. This one films in 4K, so I'm looking for that high definition. Okay, let's undo this a little bit. Okay. Put these apart. That one goes down. Okay. Imagine this does the same. Charge to activate the battery before first time use. Alright, here we go. Lift this up and then release the battery. Okay, I'm going to put a card in there, see if I can okay, let's see if I can put that in there. Battery's all charged up. Now we're going to put the SD card in. Here it is, 512 Samsung EVO. Grab it in there. I guess it goes with the things. I'm going to guess it goes with the thing up. Let's see how it fits. Nope. Let's try it. Let's try it like this. Yep. Give it a push. There we go. Right in there. Okay. Okay, now we're going to take off the gimbal cover. Okay, there it is. There's a little cover. Put that in the box. Okay. Looks a little like my DJI camera, doesn't it? A little bit wider. Okay, I moved to outside and I got the phone hooked up to the remote controller. Pretty simple. Just plug in the little cable. It goes right behind here. Pull out the thing, put the phone in. You got all the cables for whatever phone you're using. And right now I have to turn on the aircraft. And of course the first thing I'm hit with is updating the drone itself and then updating the remote controller. about 50% in downloading. They wanted to make sure I had at least 10 minutes battery power. So it's not going well so far. Just to get this thing flying is quite a chore. All right. Hey, that was the flight, and I can't believe this is refurbished. It's perfect. So, excellent deal. Found it on their website, $299. Although it came without the screwdriver, without a charging block to charge the drone. Still, it's a great deal. Till the next one.